Hello everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can hide thread badge on Instagram profile. Now to do that, you need to tap open Instagram and then get logged in into the account. Now once you're at the Instagram, you need to go to the profile. Tap on profile on the bottom right and there you can see the thread badge on your profile. For you to hide this, all you have to do is tap on that thread badge. Tap that at the red number and this will give you two options: view thread profile and hide badge. You tap on hide badge. You cannot add it back to your profile once you remove it. So in Instagram, once you remove this badge, you will no longer be able to unhide this. This will be a permanently hidden. If you're sure that you want to hide this, you tap on remove badge. This will remove the badge right away. So this is a way how you can hide thread badge on Instagram profile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.